say to myself, you're such a lucky guy to have a girl like her. It's truly a dream come true. Out of all the fellas in the world, she belongs to you. But it was just my imagination running away with me. It was just my imagination running away with me. So we'll be married and raise a family, a cozy little home out in the country, 2 children, maybe 3. I'll tell you, I can visualize it all. This couldn't be a dream, but too real it all seems. But it was just my imagination running away with me. It was just my imagination